Hola! So we are almost done with our Black Friday weekend. Actually, sale, not a Black Friday, but it's more like a Black Weekend sale. And I just wanted to show you inside of the course. I wanted to let you have a sneak peek so that you can decide if All-in-One Portuguese course is for you or not, all right? So when you go in, you will see something like this. Here you have the course curriculum that you can see. You see there's a lot of content there. If you go here to this menu, you can also check your included courses. You're gonna have to come here to access, for example, the A1, A2, B1 and B2 levels, and also your European Portuguese speech course and your story time. Okay, these are the core courses that I have and that are included in this bundle pack. And then if you want to know something about me, you have here your instructor. So let's go into the course curriculum. So the first kind of section is called Welcome to the Course. And here you're going to find things like what to expect in this course, again, about me, some information, how you can reach me to get help. And also you have here my Portuguese journal, which is basically a journal I would like you to keep so that you can keep track and be accountable for what you are doing, what you need to improve, what you've learned that day, etc., etc. Then you have here already the first bonus, which is my framework, and it's the 6 months roadmap to fluency. If you go inside here, you're gonna have a map then. I have here, like, I'm gonna tell you what you should do, how you should follow it, how you should follow all the courses, in which way to get the best results you can. You'll also get kind of a graphic where you can see per week where to go in each day, and all for a total amount of 6 months. So yeah, I think it can be really helpful. Then we can go here into the bonus 2 dialogues with audios, because I tell you that this is something you should do more or less from the beginning. And I give you some instructions also on how to follow the audios and what to do with the audios. And then for now, you have all these audios. Dialogue 8 and 9, I will be uploading the audios soon, but like all the others already have the audio. And these are basically dialogues that you can have the first times that you come to Portugal, or that you have to speak to Portuguese people in different situations. Of course, you can adapt them to your day-to-day life. That's perfectly okay. And don't worry too much if at the beginning you don't understand everything, even if you're reading, because that's normal. And I just want you to really get acquainted first to the language, to the sounds, etc. So you can first go through them, see how you go, take your time, and then come back at a later stage of your course to see how much you've improved, all right? You can also be welcome to do a bit of role play with any friends you have, Portuguese friends or tutors, or however you prefer, all right? Then here the main course 1 comes. This is the European Portuguese speech course, and this is when here you're gonna see read me, and you have the instructions on how to start this course. So let me just go back. Basically what you have to do is go then here to included courses, and you go in here, European Portuguese speech course. Right now I'm not enrolled, but you will be enrolled, and you can see the whole curriculum, just like you're seeing now with the All-in-One Portuguese course. All right, so you're gonna see all the things that are inside. We're gonna speak about pronunciation of the toughest sounds in Portuguese, how to make them within your mouth, how to let the air flow, etc., etc. Okay, and then so we have the speech course. Then you have the master course. You also have to go here to the included courses, go here to the master course. Again, you're going to have the curriculum there. You're going to have A1 level to B2 level, so a lot of content there as well. And then you have the story time. Again, we go to the included courses, and here it is, story time. These are stories that will help you learn Portuguese naturally and will go really well with the other courses, so make sure to follow it as well. You're going to have instructions on when is the best time to follow these courses, all right? Then we have the bonus 3. This is basically a language learning 101. You're going to have a video.
Hello. So welcome to our
it's a video, and I'm gonna it's a kind of a presentation. So yeah, I think this is also going to be really good to motivate you. And let's see, then we have more bonuses. We have here resources and more, a pronunciation guide, 100 basic European phrases with audios, resources like where to find Portuguese resources, TV, radio, shows, etc. And then you have some extra exercises for B1. You can also find this inside of the master course, but I put it here just in case. It's easier to find. And also for the B2 level, because these are a bit of harder levels, and I think extra exercises are always good. And then we have here finally the wrap up, which is your feedback. So I'm asking you to give me your feedback on how I can improve. I'm always looking at improving my content. And what's next? Actually, this one here, I think you won't see it because I don't have it. Actually, this pronunciation guide is also not there, and what's next is also not there, because the pronunciation guide, actually, you're going to find it inside of the A1 course. So I took it from here. I might edit later, sorry, because now I saw that it's a draft. And what's next? Actually, for now, there is nothing next, because I haven't got any more content, because you get everything in here. I might still add something else because there are some things coming up next year probably, so just keep tuned. But yeah, this course is really great. You should really take a look into it. You're going to go from A1 to B2. You're going to learn your pronunciation, your grammar, your vocabulary. You're going to train your speaking, your listening, your writing, your reading. So I think this is a really cool course, and I hope you do too, and that you can come and join me. So yeah, if you have any questions, let me know. And don't forget, we're 5 hours or less before the big discount is over. So if you're thinking about it, just go now to the link that I provide you in the email I sent you. Or if you didn't get the email, let me know and I'll give you the link to purchase this course. You can buy it in 1 time or in 3 times to make your life easier. So yeah, just let me know if you have any questions. And for now, I'm saying até já. Beijinhos.